Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. This is a TETA question from CAT 19 paper. Amal invests rupees 12,000 at 8% interest compounded annually and rupees 10,000 at 6% interest compounded semi-annually. Okay, so Amal is doing two types of investments. First one is with a capital of 12,000 and the rate of interest is 8%. So for 1 year. And the second investment is of rupees 10,000 at 6% interest compounded semi-annually. Okay. So second investment. Now the rate of interest is 6% annually, but it is compounded semi-annually. So if you see in a year, interest is getting compounded semi-annually, that means twice in a year. Okay, so the rate of interest will be divided by 2 and the time component will be multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is for semi-annually, and if it is compounded quarterly, then in a year quarterly there will be 4 quarters, so we need to divide the rate of interest by 4 and the time component should be multiplied by 4. Okay, this we need to keep in mind. So the rate of interest, effective rate of interest will be 3%, and as I said, the time component will be multiplied by 2. So these are the two investments of Amal. Bimal invests his money at 7.5% simple interest for 1 year. If Amal and Bimal get the same amount of interest, then the amount in rupees invested by Bimal is what? Okay, so the interest which Amal has gained from these two investments is same as what Bimal is getting from a simple interest investment. So let's try to get the total interest which Amal is earning from these. So this will be 0 0 will get cancelled, 120 into 108. Okay, this is 12960, and this component for square 40 will get cancelled, 103 square of 103. Okay, so this is 10609. So this is the total amount that Amal is getting. So now the interest component. So these are the amount which Amal is getting from first investment and from second investment. So in total Amal is getting, we need to add this. In total Amal is getting how much? 23569. Okay, this is the amount, and the investment amount was 12k plus 10k, so we need to add this, and so this 12k and 10k we need to subtract from here, that is total 22,000. So this was the principal amount. So if we subtract this, we have 1569. Okay, so this 1569 is the interest which Amal has received. Now this interest is same as what Bimal is receiving from 7.5% simple rate. So let's say the amount which is invested by Bimal is X. So as per the simple interest formula, principal is X, rate of interest is 7.5, and time is 1 year divided by 100. Okay, these both are same. So if we solve this, so from here we get X equals to 1569 into 40 by 3. Again this will be 523 into 40. Okay, so this will be 20920 is the answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.